Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02259 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have already logged in as a common user called c#scott, which I already created. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I am going to create one table. So I have created a table called employees2. So employees2 will contain employee number as usual. So it will be a number data type. So and it will be a primary and a unique key. So I am mentioning two keys here: primary key space unique. Okay, name varchar2 size 15. Okay, so I created two columns: employee number and name. Okay. ORA-02259 duplicate unique primary key specifications, which means that either you create the column with the primary key alone or unique alone. Okay, don't create the column with primary key and unique. Okay, so primary key is the combination of unique and not null. Okay, primary key is the combination of unique and not null. Okay, so you can create like this: unique, not null. But don't create primary key unique, so that is invalid and it will throw ORA-02259 error.